Hey everybody, Joe Fostolo here with Soldera Properties, and I'm the admin of Masters in Real Estate. And as many of you know, Masters in Real Estate has been around for over 10 years, and it's open to realtors as well as real estate related services like attorneys and lenders and title people and surveyors and contractors and vendors and inspectors. So basically everybody. Today's best practice is going to be directed at the realtors. So in our everyday lives, we come across a transaction or a situation that's particularly tricky or troublesome, and we need others' advice, suggestions, recommendations. And if it's serious enough of a problem, I ask you to ask your principal broker first. That's why they're there. That's why they get paid. Talk to your principal broker. Masters is not a substitution of your principal broker. Now, after you talk to your principal broker first, if you would still like to bounce it off us in the Masters in Real Estate group, please do, but I need you to fly at 50,000 feet, right? We don't want to know an address. We don't want to know the other broker, the other brokerage, the appraiser's name, the lender's name, nothing. Because everybody wants to find out that stuff. Like when you get the monthly journal from the real estate commissioner, what do? We all automatically go to the back to see who got in trouble, right? So if you give too many details, people will try and figure out what you're talking about, and we don't want them to do that. So we just want to help you with your problem without knowing any of the intimate details, and that way we can help you unobjectively and you're not breaching potential confidentiality. That's it. Best practice for today. Thanks for listening. Make it great.